Good morning, students. This is our first computer class. So let's begin with the first chapter. Page number 6, lesson number 1, a computer system. First topic, a computer system. Meaning. Computer is a useful machine. It is used in almost every sphere of life. We can play games, write letters, draw pictures, listen to music, store information, solve mathematical problems, etc. on a computer. It can work very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. Okay. A computer is an amazing machine that can do different types of work. Computer made our life easy by helping in doing various kinds of work. We can do so many things on a computer, like we can play games on it. We make drawings, listen music, and watch videos or movies. We can write letters and save informations like photos, videos, documents, etc. and solve maths problem on a computer. Computer can do any work at same time or many work at same time with great speed. Okay, in the previous class we have learned the use of computer in different fields. Let us review some of these areas. Okay, so in standard second we have seen the different uses of computer in different fields. Let's just discuss or let's just go through it once. Okay, like computers are used in hospitals to diagnose patients' health conditions. Second is designing. In designing, computers were helpful to design houses, cars, bikes, clothes, etc. In banks, computers are used to keep records of our bank account details. In animation movie, computers were not only used to make animation movies, it is also used to give some special effects or VFX in any regular movies or shows that we watch in televisions. Fifth, airport, to navigate the planes and give information about air traffic. Sixth is defense, used by army to keep close observation or watch over our borders and some important personalities. Seventh, space research, computer used to launch rockets to the space, do critical space related calculations and so on. In offices, eighth, in offices it's used to keep records of all the employees and work. Now let's move on to the book. Hardware. Next topic is hardware. A physical part of a computer that we can touch and feel are called hardware. As we already know, a human body consists of different parts. The outer part of a body are visible, whereas the parts like brain, lungs, heart, etc., which are inside, cannot be seen. Similarly, in a computer we can see only those parts of the hardware that are outside. For example, monitor, keyboard, etc. They are attached to the CPU by cables. Some parts of hardware are inside the CPU. We can see them when we open the body of the CPU box. For example, hard disk, CPU chip, etc. Okay, computer is made up of two essential things, that is hardware and software. Hardware is all the physical part that we can touch or see of a computer is hardware. As we can only see only the outer part of our body, for example like head, legs, hand, etc., and unable to see all the inner parts of our body like brain, heart, etc. Likewise, in computer we can only see or touch all the outer part of computer like mouse, keyboard, etc. All these outer part of computer are attached to the CPU by wires. Like we have inner parts, computer also have some hardware that are inside the CPU like hard disk, motherboard, chip, etc., which can only be seen when we open the CPU. Next topic, parts of computer. A computer has following four main parts that help in performing the IPO, that is input process output cycle. Okay, computer has four main parts. First is monitor. Monitor is also known as VDU, that is Visual Display Unit. It has three types: CRT, LCD, and LED. CRT stands for cathode ray tube, LCD stands for liquid crystal display, and LED stands for light emitting diode. Second part of the computer is known as Central Processing Unit or CPU. It has three parts, that is memory unit, control unit, third arithmetic and logical unit, that is ALU. Third part is keyboard. Keyboard also has five types of keys on it. First is typing keys, second is control keys, third is function keys, fourth is numeric keypad that we are having on the right side of the keyboard, fifth navigation keys, fourth is mouse. Okay, this is all for now. We are going to discuss all these main parts of computer next week in detail. Thank you.